In this lab activity, you have to type an article about World Environment Day and create different styles with given attributes to format your document as given. First style name is given main paragraph style, second style name is heading, third style name is subheading. After applying these styles in our document will look like this. We have to perform this task in the MS Word, so without delay, let's go to the MS Word. You have to type this text or you can get typed document in your lab activities folder. I have already typed this text. Let's start to work. To create the styles, click the flyer drop down button of styles group. Styles panel is appeared. Click the new style button from these styles. Now type the styles name in the name text box. I type main paragraph style. Now style type is paragraph. I leave as it is. Now set the character formatting attributes. Font is Arial. Click the font drop down button. Select the Arial. Set the font size 12 point. Click the font size drop down button and select the 12 point. Now set the paragraph formatting attributes. Click the format drop down button from this dialog box. Click the paragraph option. Now look here, paragraph dialog box is appeared. Set the alignment justify. Click the alignment drop down button. Click the justified option. Set the paragraph spacing. I set 0 point before and 6 point after for paragraph spacing. Set the line spacing. I set line spacing multiple with its value 1.3. Set the first line indent 0.5. Click the special drop down button. Select the first line option. Now 0.5 is appeared. I leave as it is. Click the OK button. Again click the OK button from this dialog box. Now look here, main paragraph style is appeared in the styles panel. Now create the next style heading. Click the new style button from styles panel. Now type the style name heading. Style type is paragraph. I leave as it is. Now set the character formatting attributes. Font is Arial. Click the font drop down button and select the Arial. Font size is 24. Click the font size drop down button and select the 24 point. It is bold and underline. Click the bold option and underline option and set the color blue. Click the color drop down button. The color blue. I select this light blue. Now set the paragraph attributes. Click the format button from this dialog box. Click the paragraph option. Set the alignment center. Click the alignment drop down button. Select the center option. Set the paragraph spacing. I set 0 point before and 12 point after for the paragraph spacing. Set the line spacing single. Click the drop down button of line spacing. Click the single option. Now click the OK button. Again click the OK button from this dialog box. Look here, heading style is appeared in the styles panel. Finally, let's create the subheading style. Create the new style button from this style panel. Now type the style name subheading. Style type is paragraph. I leave as it is. Set the character formatting. Font is Arial. Click the font drop down button and select the Arial. Font size is 13 point. Click the font size drop down button and find the 13 point. 13 point is not available over here, so you have to type here 13. Now set the color blue. Click the color drop down button and I select this light blue. It is already selected. Now set the paragraph attributes. Click the format drop down button. Click the paragraph option. Set the alignment left. Click the alignment drop down button and click the left option. Now set the paragraph spacing. I set before and after 6 point. Set the line spacing single. It is already selected. I leave as it is. Now click the OK button. Now again click the OK button from this dialog box. Now look here, subheading style is appeared in the styles panel. Now we have to apply these styles one by one. I like to apply the heading style in the heading of the document. Select the heading of the document and click the heading style from styles panel. Now look here, heading is formatted. Now apply the main paragraph styles in paragraphs of document. Select the paragraph. Click the main paragraph style from styles panel. Now select the next paragraph. Click the style, main paragraph style. Select this one. Click the main paragraph style. Select this and click the main paragraph style. Let's look here. All the paragraphs are formatted according to our style. Finally, we have to apply the subheading style in the subheading of the document. Select the subheading. Now click the subheading style from styles panel. Now select the next subheading. Click the subheading style. Select the next one. Again click the style. Now look here, our document is formatted by creating the style. In this way, you have to practice yourself to develop your word processing skill in Microsoft Word after watching this video.